This new tube today doesn't exactly, the sizing is not exactly right. It's got many looks, many looks. Let me walk you through the looks. We got Stegosaurus, classic Robin Hood, the old poop emoji, poop emoji, poop emoji, poop emoji, or the too big for your head one as well. Let me hit you with that red sauce. Hit you with that red sauce. But now that goof time is over, let's get to the real reason why we're watching this. The food. I had to switch up the two. The other one was it was too ruckus. It looked too weird. So, this is something familiar we've done before. The Asian Persuasion. A little Chinese food. I'm just do a little unboxing for you here. Or, I guess an unbagging, rather. But spring rolls, vegetarian. Oh, I'm doing this different today, guys. I'm filming with my laptop. So if the light's a little different, or the video quality, or the sound quality, that's why. But you know what? Life's about experimentation. Not only in college. You can also do it any other day you want. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to see if it films as well or better or whatever the fuck. This one is a pork spring roll. Hit those up. This came with the combo. This is an egg roll. I much prefer spring rolls. Egg rolls they're good, but they're just not my fave. Obviously, you gotta have the red sauce, sweet and sour, whatever you want to call it. And then we got a gang of other sauces, sweet soy sauce, some like sweet and sour, or plum, I guess. Plum. And then the hot chili fire sauce. Not really good for me or for my butthole, so I'm not gonna go there. Yeah. So I got a combo for one. I got the number 7 bread, looking hella proper, white. General Tso chicken, definitely could be saucier in my opinion, but this fried rice is looking bomb as fuck. And then I got some beef and vegetables, beef mixed vegetables. Of course, got my weapon of choice. The old chopstick. I don't know if I'm going to be any good with these for the rice. Let's see if I can do it. Otherwise, we're going to grab a fork. I got a shit handled. We eye it. All right. For a drink, just let me reach over here to my pure wine tap provided by the city. It's a nice, beautiful white wine from my personal wine tap. Kidding. Just having some basic bitch water. Very delightful. I'm getting notes of pear and mango with lemongrass and a hint of the barrel that it was aged in. The oakiness is unbelievable. This fried rice is bombastic, Mr. Fantastic. Holy fuck. I'll put you on that red sauce. Let me hit you with that. You know what? We're gonna put it. We'll put it there. You know what? Let's unbag these bitches too. So this is the pork. Is there a zoom on this? Oh, come on. Yeah. Tight. So we'll put that there. And we'll do the veg one, obviously looks the same. And then, just for good measure, we'll hit up the egg roll for those eggy motherfuckers out in the world who craving that. Sorry to disappoint you, but I'm probably not even going to eat it. Okay, so this is the General Tso chicken. General Tso. Totally. General totally. Oh, there's more sauce down here. Oh, okay. I see what you're working with here. Chicken's got a little attitude on it. A little spicy attitude. See how much more saucy that is? Mmm. Yes. Exactly what I thought. So the fried rice has like corn, peas, onion, chicken, I think. Obviously egg. Got the beef. Damn. Mmm. Nice and tender. Not like shoe leather. Very good. See, I'm filming with my laptop. It gets like a bigger view of what's behind me. The camera is wider, which is cool. And I can go on my phone now, which is nice. I used to have to record with my phone, which I'd always have to put into airplane mode. Because if you're filming with the iPhone, or with a phone in general, I would imagine. Okay, let's get a close up of that, if we can. Hallelujah, holla back though. Holy fuck. These are so good. I knew I liked this place for a reason. Oh my god. Yes. All about my broccoli. This is some top tier shit. If you guys haven't already noticed, got the Christmas tree popping. Getting festive in this motherfucker. And just so you know, it's faux. It ain't real. Canadian Tire, $49.99. For a nice fake plastic tree. It was really funny. When we unboxed it, it was like, it's all compact and put away, right? So the branches are very, like, they're wiry, so the branches are all tucked in really tight. And then we put it all together, and then it just looked like, it looked very shitty at first, and we're like, what the fuck? Like, did we get screwed on a tree? Like, did we get a Charlie Brown tree? But after being an idiot for about 10 minutes, then realizing that, oh wait, we have to like branch by branch, because it's wire, we have to like pull it out and like fluff it out and make it so It looked full. And then we continued to bejewel and bejazzle and bedazzle and bulb and put all this stuff on. Maybe I'll give you a close-up shot, but I prefer my trees to be like have some class to them. I hate ugly like multicolored lights, and just like tinsel is disgusting. It's so tacky, and like I just like my tree to have a certain level of elegance, such as my wine here. Ah, no. Go back for one of these guys. Yeah, I just have like red, green, gold, white bulbs. And just like basic white lights. Tell me how you guys do your tree. What's your tradition? What's your tradition? Nice. Is it non-traditional or very traditional? It's funny, growing up in my house back in the day, at my one house, because I'm a product of divorce. I'm sure a lot of you are too. But in the one house we had we have a blended family. So we used to have on the main floor we'd have one family's tree, and on the bottom floor our family's tree, because our families had such different traditions that like we could not come to terms and come to an agreement on how the trees should be decorated and look. So after having like an all-out war about the trees, parents were just like, fuck it, we'll get 2 trees. One family would be on this floor, the other family's on this floor, and then we would alternate Christmas year by year where the actual present ceremony, if you will, went down for that year. So one year one family got it under their tree, and then the other, and vice versa. You know what I mean. You're picking up what I'm putting down. I gotta say, there is something about when you put up your Christmas tree and it's chilling in your living room, and that there is a certain, like, it's weirdly comforting. It's like weirdly nostalgic and comforting, and like it just makes you kind of excited for the holidays. Like I really think like Christmas trees are like an antidepressant almost. I feel like especially in the wintertime when it's cold or dark out so early. I feel like just having like a Christmas tree to flick on, you just keep it up all like the winter time. I was the absolute worst at Christmas. Like as a child, I would just get way too excited. I would. I have two older sisters. I would always like stay up and like be in their bed, and they could actually sleep. I could never sleep. I was way too excited for how lit it was going to be. Every hour from like 5 o'clock forward in the morning, sneaking up to like your parents' door, and your parents was like, "No, not yet. Go away." And you're just like, "Fuck!" So you're just like, time felt like it was just moving like so slowly. All you wanted to do is race down to see what you got. I remember one year, my sister played the spoiler hard. I was like coming down the stairs, like I was last in the line down the stairs, and then she was like, "You got a Sega," and asked me. I don't know why it wasn't wrapped. First off, so I don't know what the fuck my parents' thinking there was, but she's like, "You got a Sega," and I was like, "What?" Oh, like just ruined the surprise for me. Like, come on, yo, dropping the ball heavy on that. I think I was about 6 then. And Sega, that was a fat present. That was like that was the main present, right? Everything else beyond that is going to be just like some chill shit. Gaming systems back in the day, like if you copped one and you like hit up school and you're like, go Sega dog, like got a 64, like that was the best present you could get as a kid. Like for your parents to buy you a gaming system, 100. Kids were like, I'm coming to your place, man. We're gonna play some serious Mortal Kombat. Having a system took your popularity potential. If you were sitting at a 5, you're like probably gonna be an 8. You know what I mean? So that's a nice little 3-point booster. Come on now, we could all use a boost back then. I'm getting full. Do you guys remember? I just had the funniest flashback in my head about elementary school and back in the day. I don't know anybody who's in their 20s. I don't know if it's changed a lot or how it is, but or how it was for you even. But remember pictures, like picture day, and then remember like when you got your pictures back, like in that we used to get them in like that like brown long like portfolio envelopey thing, and like when you're just waiting because you didn't know what the picture looked like, and no idea, or no one ever gave you a preview of what your picture was going to be like. You get it. You'd pull out the one huge one because there's always like the combo pack, so you could get like the little wallet size ones, and then the mid size for like your dad's like office table, and then you could get like that. Obviously, there's like that main gangster one for like I don't know, maybe the grandparents, or I guess in like your living room by the piano or something. And there's like you get that big one, you pull it out, and it'd just be like some terrible, horrendous picture of you. You'd be like, "Oh, this is what my picture is." And then you had like the little wallet ones. You'd be like trading them around, but I don't why anybody would like at my school wanted a picture of me. I don't know, but sometimes kids would trade them around. Don't know if that still happens. Fucking face Pokemon. Um, and then the funniest shit too was like some kids got like the baller packs with like hella photos, and then if your parents were more basic and they're just like, well, probably more reasonable. Like we don't need like 1,000 of these pictures that you need. We need like the main one and then like a grandma one and then that's it. So and then you like some kids get the baller pack and you just be like, oh man, my picture sucks. Fuck picture day. All those days at school were hilarious. There was like all the we used to do like book fairs, and then again you'd see who's got the money because like certain kids would just like go in and just buy the bitch out. Like they would just books, but erasers, pencils, weird curly shoestrings, and oh yeah, fucking those boingy curly shoestrings. Those were like the yikes pencils. Yikes pencils were the shit. If you had yikes pencils, you were a hot topic at school. People wanted to be your friend, and if you had those boingy ass shoes laces too, that was fucking legit, dude. Or like light ups, LA Gears and shit. Oh come on, dude. Too good. Too good. Classic memories, man. I wonder how much that's changed in like 2017, 2016. Not 2017 yet, but like, what are kids like? Picture days like? Do they still get like all like the like how do their pictures come? Everything's so digital now. Like, I wonder. I really wonder. They're just like, oh, we've actually sent the link to your Facebook, and you can just download it there. We emailed your grandma her copy. I would have to sue with something like that because that old way is just so like that's just dinosaur shit. But yeah, no, I'm full. All those fried things really did me in. This rice is like I'll save it for sure. But yeah, I'm full. I can't go any further. But I will obviously see you guys in the next one. And maybe leave some comments down below and tell me what you want me to eat because I feel like I just had never really done a request for food. So if there's something cool, I'll hit it up. But I'm not gonna lie, I have a very strong inclination to do Popeyes next.